In a previous video, we talked about string theory, and now we're going to talk about how string theory explains the existence of possibly 11 dimensions. If you're interested in string theory, check out this video right here. Welcome to Talk Real. If you haven't been here before, it's my mission to provide real answers for real life. And I made this channel and my website to provide those answers that I found and answers that I'm continuing to learn in my journey. You and I live in 4 dimensions. 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension. In these 3 dimensions, these 3 spatial dimensions, we're able to go up, down, left, right, forward, and backward. We've gotten pretty used to these 3 dimensions. We understand the world around us pretty well. We can predict the weather. We can predict the laws of physics. We know our world around us. But the way we understand our world is kind of broken. We got a few pieces over here, a few pieces over there, and a few theories over here. But we don't have anything that can quite put everything together. We don't have one unifying theory that can explain everything. This theory that tries to explain everything in a nutshell is string theory. And what string theory teaches is that there could be 11 dimensions. You see, string theory only works with 11 dimensions. It doesn't work in a 4-dimensional universe. We have to have more. In string theory, it believes that if you were to go down way past the atomic level, past the electrons, past the protons, past the neutrons, past the quarks, you see tucked into the very fabric of our universe, these small little rings. In these small rings, these tucked in little rings of our universe are different dimensions of reality. What's interesting is that from a distance, these dimensions don't look like higher dimensions. They actually look like a small little point. But when you zoom in more and more and more, you see that these dimensions are higher dimensions. What does this mean for us who only live in these 3 dimensions? Well, it just shows that us as humans live in a very limited perspective of our reality. Because we only live in these limited amounts of dimensions, we don't know how the world truly is on the macro level. We can only experience so much. We don't know the full picture. This forces us to be humble. This forces us to take what we experience with a grain of salt, because there are higher realities out there. Hey guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this video really encouraged you. I upload videos every week. And if you prefer to read more, check out my website at talkreal.co. I write so much stuff about so many different topics from my faith journey.